Chief or Deputy Chief of Staff, our First Lady. Once you're a First Lady, you're always a First Lady. And once you're a President, you'll always be a President. Of course, we have the Executive Secretary, Arlen Willie. Arlen. Also with the foundation is Celeste de Mapulangan. Last but not least, representing the Asian Institute of Management, the executive or the Deputy Executive Director, Tura Tech Jimenez.
My husband is from Panoringan, Pangasinanes.
Your husband is from Panoringan. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to introduce to you His Excellency, the 12th President of the Republic of the Philippines. Please rise. Let's give a warm welcome, Fidel, Valdez, Ramos.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Salamat. Mario Panoringan from Pangasinan.
Ito, pagilangan.
I also greet with equal pain and hardship. That's how the Filipino and our nation was born out of sacrifice and struggle and pain. The same way that you of the UPA produced this building for yourselves. I'm sure at great sacrifice and effort and patience. I don't know how many other provincial associations in the U.S. like Pangasinan have produced their own building. And therefore, you must also be proud of this achievement, but you should be prouder as Filipinos. Let me end by challenging all of you to continue doing your good work, especially in regard to the education of the young people. You are correct. It is better to support the young people there as scholars than support young people here as scholars, although those here will probably deserve it just as well. But for every dollar you spend in supporting or subsidizing the education of a young person here, maybe that same $1 will be good for maybe 5 over there in terms of the cost of education. But I assure you the quality will be just as good. Why is the quality just as good? Because many of us, we studied here in the U.S. I'm not just talking about myself or Mrs. Ramos. We all went back there and started teaching other people also. Therefore, the quality of our young people are also, or is also good.